Evadale Raceway, are you ready? JJ's Arm Drop is coming to you April 30th and May 1st. JJ and the MSO family are giving you a chance to meet and race them. Bring the kids. All kids get in free. Even the kids get a chance to race on foot for prizes and money. Friday night, small tire, $200 to enter, $10,000 to win, guaranteed. Saturday night, big tire, $200 to enter, $10,000 to win, guaranteed. JJ will be giving rides in Old Heavy. You don't want to miss out on the ride of your life with JJ behind the wheel. Come on out to Evadale Dragway April 30th and May 1st. And what was that, JJ?
Everyone gets to meet JJ the boss.